If your air fryer has stubborn burnt-on grease that won't budge, here's a quick way to clean your air fryer with just a dishwashing tablet to avoid heavy scrubbing. All you need is one dishwasher tablet and enough boiling water to submerge the greasy parts of the basket. Place your dirty air fryer and tray into the sink and then drop one dishwashing tablet into the bottom of the basket. Pour boiling water over the dishwashing tablet until the greasy areas are completely submerged. You'll see it start to fizz and turn cloudy. That's the enzymes attacking the carbonized grease. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. As it cools, the oil will start to lift off the metal. You'll see the water turn brown as grime releases. Pour out the dirty water and give it a quick rinse under the tab. Wipe out the remaining residue with a soft sponge. Anything left over should wipe away effortlessly with no scrubbing required. How often should I clean my air fryer? Give it a quick wash after every single use. However, do this deep clean soak at least once a month to keep it running like new and prevent any smoky smells. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.